Chat GPT will blow your mind. Everything that you clicked on, the title, the thumbnail, and everything you're going to see in this video was all created using Chat GPT. And at the end, I'm going to show you how you can start making money and use this in your business starting today. And as you see, this outline, everything you saw in this video, the outline, what I said, was created by Chat GPT. First of all, what in the world is Chat GPT? I was going to make a long speech about it, but then I just asked Chat GPT to tell me what it is and talk to me like a fifth grader. And this is what it said. Chat GPT is a computer program that can have a conversation with you. It was designed to talk like a real person and give you good answers to your questions. You can ask it about lots of different things, and it will try its best to understand what you're saying and give you a good response. Chat GPT is helpful for people who want to make programs that can talk to people online, like chatbots. And that is a perfect example of what you can do with this platform. You can ask it all different types of questions and it will give you an answer. Now, there are limitations and things to consider, and we talk about that in our beginners video, but simply put, you can have tons of conversations and get tons of details about this. For example, we asked it to come up with a title for this video, and it did. We wanted to make sure that we get more clicks on this video. It changed the title. Then we asked it to write a script for this video. It did that as well, wrote out a whole outline. And then we didn't know what the thumbnail should be, and it gave us two alternatives of what our thumbnail could be for this video. You can do that for all different types of businesses. In fact, we have talked to two different business owners that were trying to create online businesses, and those business owners were not coders. They knew what kind of online business they wanted. They wanted to create a Google Chrome extension, that's one person, and the other wanted to build something using a no-code tool. And they needed to know how to code it in a very specific coding language. They asked Chat GPT how to do it, and it wrote the code for them. They copied and pasted, and now they have an online business. It's pretty amazing. Now, as a disclaimer, whatever subject that you're asking about, it's not perfect. It's still learning. So you're still going to need to know some context about it for you to guide the conversation, make sure that it's correct, and so on and so forth. But this is just getting started. This platform is less than 2 weeks old, so it's going to keep getting better and better over time. Let's talk about the highlights that Chat GPT can create. This can help you with customer service. Say, for instance, you have a really mean customer that's yelling at you, and you're going to write some nasty things back to them. Well, instead of that, you can slow down, get your hands away from the keyboard, breathe a little bit, come back and ask Chat GPT to give you a cordial response or something that is lighthearted or something like that. It will write it for you. So that way you don't have to start being mean. I edited myself there. We just did this with content creation. We did it for this video, but also for our Twitter threads and other things. That's what we use Chat GPT to create these Twitter threads for us. And that's only the beginning. You could also do this for email sequences. If you're doing welcome email sequences to your audience and you feel so overwhelmed, you don't want to hire a copywriter, you just need something done for you, you can be using this as well. We see this already being done for agencies. They're using AI to do this. And some companies such as Writer and Nicheness and others are using the power of GTP3 already to accomplish this. So what are you waiting for? Click the link down below to get started with Chat GPT and let me know what kind of businesses you're trying to create. What are you going to be using it for? And if you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week.